If you want to make $10,000 per month passively from YouTube automation channels, then you came to the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you 5 highest paying niches right here on YouTube that will pay you passively. Hey, we're doing a cash giveaway on our channel. We're giving away up to $50 to 10 people. The choice is yours. Watch the full video, like and share the video, and click the giveaway link in the description below to join this giveaway. Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 high CPM niches that I actually give to my clients, and I'm also going to show you a tutorial at the end of exactly how to get started with one of these channels without doing any of the work yourself. Make sure you subscribe, like and share this video, and turn on the notification bell so that, whenever we publish a new interesting video like this, you will be notified as fast as possible. Let's get started. Now, this channel right here is called World According to Briggs, and this channel is in the financial niche, but a sub-niche with retirement planning. Now, advertisers love advertising on these types of videos because the audience is a little bit older. They have access to capital and credit, and they're willing to spend money. So this channel does videos like, the 10 best places to retire in the world, the 10 most religious cities in the US, and stuff like that. So they're talking about money, they're talking about different places people can go and retire, and that is why this channel is doing so well. Some of their videos are getting, 514,000 views, 151,000 views, and they're doing very, very well. So if we look over here on socialblade.com, we can actually see that it says they're making about $13,000 per month from their channel, and this is absolutely wrong. Now you may be thinking, yeah, this is way too much. No, it's actually way too little, because if you hover over the little question mark, it says the default estimated CPM range for Social Blade is 25 cents to $4 per thousand views. And we know a channel like this is earning about $25 per thousand views. So we could safely multiply this by 5 or 6, and that's going to give us a closer estimate of what they're making per month. So they're making over $225,000 per month from this channel in just YouTube ad revenue. Okay, so that's crazy numbers. They're making over $1 million per year passively, and you don't even have to film any of these videos yourself. You could have an offshore team that we help with our clients, basically create all of the videos for you at a fraction of a cost. So this is a wonderful channel to get started with. We have channels in this niche, that's why we know it's a good one. Now, the next channel is called the Market Chasers. Okay, Market Chasers. They're doing stock market price predictions and talking about different trading strategies, such as options and futures, right? So they're doing, trading strategy update videos. And they don't even show their face. As you can see, man makes $500,000 with AMC and GameStop stock. So that's, just the types of videos they do. It's entertaining. It's talking about, the craziest trades and people making millions of dollars from meme stocks. So this is a wonderful channel to get started within the financial niche, and again, has some of the biggest advertisers advertising on their videos, such as, Coinbase, TD Ameritrade, Robinhood, big companies, big financial firms like that, paying top dollar to get in front of people like you and me, right? So this is a wonderful channel. If we go over to Social Blade, it says they're making $497 per month. We know this is absolutely wrong. If you hover over a little question mark again, $4 CPMs per thousand views. We know this channel is making upwards of $30 to $40 per thousand views. So we can multiply this number by 10, and that's closer to what they're making per month. So close to $6,000 per month, or $892,000 per year, just having, people upload their videos for them, people make the videos for them. This could be done completely passively, but I love this channel because it has a lot of growth potential, and it was just created, 3 years ago. So just imagine, 3 years in, you're making an extra $72,000 per year. What would you do with that extra money? Would you buy a house, a car, invest it, take care of your family, go on a vacation, right? I want you to comment that down below. So let's go ahead and move into niche number 3 and channel number 3. So this one is called From Here to There. Now, this is similar to the very first channel I showed you called World to Briggs. This channel is doing, the 10 best countries to live in the world in 2023, the top 10 best places to live in Texas. So they're doing not only US-based cities and states, but they're also doing countries as well. So for people who want to, maybe renounce their citizenship from the US and go travel abroad and, pay no taxes in different countries like Dubai, or, people looking to retire and they just want to change up the scenery, right? So this is geared towards people who want to basically have money, right? Or people who want to retire in a different state or country. Okay, so this is going to appeal to a little bit older of an audience, therefore increasing the CPMs, especially because this audience right here is mainly geared towards the US, which has some of the highest CPMs, meaning advertisers are willing to pay the most amount of money to get in front of the US-based people. Okay, so this is a wonderful channel example. If we go into Social Blade, it says they're making about $2,100 per month. And again, we know they're making about $25 per thousand views, not $4 per thousand views. So we could safely multiply this by, let's just say, 6, and that's going to give us a better estimate of what they're making. So they're making about $24,000 per month or over, what is that, $260 to $280,000 per year. So over $250,000 per year in passive income from uploading automated faceless videos right here from YouTube automation. Okay, so this is a wonderful niche and sub-niche to get started with, finance and sub-niche retirement planning. So definitely one you want to get started with if you're thinking about getting into YouTube automation. Now, let's move into channel number 4, which is a very, very unique channel. This one's called Benjamin. They make financial videos, okay. So they're doing, like, a very funny story like financial videos. They're talking about the different, crashes and the most terrifying investment strategies and terrible crypto, YouTube cryptos, and things like that. So they're talking about different, financial things, and their videos go viral. I mean, they're getting anywhere from 200,000 to over 1 million views on their videos. So they only have to upload, like, once or twice a month, as you can see. They're uploading not very often, and they're making pretty decent money. Now, again, we can multiply this by, let's just say, 10 because they're in the finance niche, right? So they're making about $3,000 per month passive from their channel, $120,000 per year passive uploading once, like, every other month. So this is a very unique example. Obviously, I don't recommend that for my clients. I say upload, 4 to 5 times a week to stay competitive. But if you have a great video editor and scriptwriter that can create videos like this, then you can get away with maybe uploading once or twice a week. Okay, so this is a great channel example. So let's move into the last niche right here, and this channel called Trip Extreme. Now, this is the best places the cheapest places to travel, okay. So they're again tying in finance with a sub-niche in travel and investment properties, okay. So this is a very interesting channel. They're talking about the best, investment properties around the world or in the US. And they're talking about different college campuses, places you can visit. So they're appealing to a crowd that has money, right? That has money to go to college, that has money to travel, that has money to buy investment properties abroad. So this is a very, very high CPM niche, which is like travel/investments. So this is a great channel example. If you go into Social Blade, it says they're making about $2.9 per month. But again, I would guesstimate they're making about $30 to $40 per thousand views versus $4. So we could safely multiply this by 7 or 8, and that's going to give us a better estimate. So they're making about $14,000 to $16,000 per month passively, or about $160,000 to $200,000 per year uploading YouTube automation videos. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to join our Telegram channel so that you won't miss any new update. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share the video, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we publish a new interesting video like this, you'll be notified as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.